Hey, hey, it's Poisson Variants, your mathematical maestro and LaTeX linguist. I love you guys. You guys make me laugh so much. Alright. Turn this down a little bit. Oh my god. Hey King, hey Cheese, hey Ava, hey Mew, hey Calcium, hey Ryler, hey Stucky. Hey Tyler, hey RTM. Oh, you guys just... How are you so bad at counting? Do you know they named a terminal shell after you? What? A terminal shell? I don't know what that is. Fish? What? Oh, okay. Yes, someone said fish. How's everybody doing today? I hope your Wednesday has been good. My Wednesday has been pretty good. Cats entered the chat. That's true if Ava's there. I guess if any of the variables are there. You gone so far into math that you trip up on a simple arithmetic? I mean, honestly, same. Deltarune reference? Never played it. Feel at most rectangular. This finds 6 past 17. Fair enough. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, 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 fish. I dig it. Oh, I was wondering about... Oh, I guess basically nobody here knows who Super Variable 3 is. That was before a bunch of your guys' time. Because I'm drawing Super Variable 3 and I'm like, I don't know what outfit she's supposed to be in. But... it's coming along well. Anyways... Today, the music is so tough on Twitch. What do you mean? Did I get Twitch affiliate yet? What do I need to do? Let's find out what you guys need to do. You just know Super Variable 3 has no eyebrows, whereas first two... Yeah, first two don't have eyebrows. Super Variable 3 does have eyebrows. The Super Variable here. I want to show you guys the drawing, but I don't want to spoil it. Let's see. What do we need to do for me to hit, need to hit affiliate? Okay, I think yeah, okay. Sorry, because of the time. I think I just need one more day of an average of over 3 viewers, and then I will hit affiliate. Yay! Just need more streams per week or something. I think I just haven't really streamed much on Twitch, and it just the average of 3 viewers thing. Yeah, you gonna get that? I hope so. I hope so. My Twitch has been slowly growing today. Oh, I hope so. I wouldn't be averse to it. Yeah, but it has to have it be an average of 3 viewers over the entire stream. Are you affiliate? You get back in the frying pan. get back in the frying pan, you. She right now, so the rec is easily met. Okay. I have an average of N viewers. Oh, you're right, Apu. It's Breakboy. What is Breakboy doing here? You're right, Apu, though. I have an average of N viewers. My total viewers over my total time divided by... First the blender, now the frying pan. Where will we find Aleph Mac? She survived Poisson's stomach. I don't know. I don't know. I think I just couldn't eat him all. Like I'm pretty skinny. Like look how skinny I am. There's no way I can easily eat an entire Mewbert. Although he is pretty small. Like, this is my height. He's like, I don't know. He's short though. He's not as short as most VTubers, but he's short. Don't got the enzymes? Bro, it sucks. You should have better DNA that can be transcribed and translated to make better enzymes. I know, I need to perform a linear transformation on my enzymes so that they're strong enough to digest an Albert Mewbert. Aleph a shorty? Yeah, he's only like 5'7" or something. Basically tiny. Hey, Kami! Welcome, how you doing? You're at least the average height? Yeah, short. Some interesting theories about this exist. You can check them out by searching North. Oh. Stucky, no! Stucky, no! Design your own assembly language from your calc app format, and all opcodes are symbols, and opcodes and arguments can be out of order inspired by Haskell. I've only ever used Haskell a little bit, but that's cool. You're slightly taller than average. Good on you. Or bad on you. It depends on really what you want. It depends on what you would prefer, because some people wish they were shorter. I like being as tall as I am. I enjoy my height. Oh, don't search it, RTM. Don't search it. Let's see. Here, let me... I wish I was shorter. Can I make you shorter? Sure. Well, that depends. So if you guys are variables, and canonically the variables are just blobs, except super variable 3, they're not a blob. Yeah, let me show you. Average height in your country is 5'6" for men. You're 6'2" and lean, and it's uber difficult to get rid. I mean, honestly, same. Buying jeans for me is so difficult, because buying jeans is so difficult because every time I go somewhere, they expect, oh, the height you're growing must be proportional to the width you're growing. So all of the waists are super large. And I'm like, nope, I'm crazy thin. I'm, 6 feet, 6'1", 6 feet, 6'1", one of the two. I don't know. It oscillates. It's harmonic, but yeah, it's just that keeps sorry. But yeah, no, it's a pain in the heck to do that. Okay, sorry, I was just grabbing something. But ever since you got into the gym, normal clothes seem to be a bit out of reach now. Well, they shouldn't be out of reach. You just said you were tall. You should be able to reach the top shelf. Super Variable 3 sounds like a Nintendo game. It's a person. It's a character I made up. Here, let me guys show you the current art, or the draft for the art I'm making for Super Variable 3. Twitch is replacing your emoticons. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you, bud. I don't know why Twitch does what it does. So first, let me show you guys the variables. Thanks for comforting YouTube chat, Ava. Yeah, you gotta add spaces all over the place. So if you haven't seen the variable is the character on the starting screen. So like, it's not properly looping here. But so like this is a variable. Just one kind of. He tried 0 width space. So this is a variable improperly looped, so it doesn't spring back up. I'd have to reverse it and then play it back. Can you name the blob Bob? Do we come in different colors? You can come in different colors. Here, let me show you the... So here's like a Bob the Blob. I mean, if you guys want to go by Bob. Let me find the... This was the art that Doggo made me for... Where is it? Is it here? No. Here's the art that Doggo made me for Pride. Went from Zacklor to Bob the Blob. And so as you can see, you guys have little sort of octopus tentacle blob things. Blob the Bob dooby blobbin. And you can hold all your flags, because you fit all the criteria, so therefore you're all the sexuality. Like you're Wario sexual, you're cotton candy sexual, you're bacon sexual, you're, what is that, green? The World Cup, but it's LGBTQ flags. Pancake, I thought it was toothpaste. I am toothpaste too. But yeah, so see, you guys get these like little blobby tentacles. If you were here, let me pull something up. What did I just press? Let me pull something up for you guys. Trans mask versus trans femme football match would go insane. Sure, you know what, I agree. Here, we're gonna watch this together just so you guys can understand exactly, for those who don't know. Apologies, but aside from being math sexual, what's your sexuality? Please feel free to ignore this. Pancake. No, pan, which is like the emotional attachment thing. Let me find it. So this little video here was made using free models. So these are not exactly what the variables look like, but this is the closest I could get with free models. Okay.
You guys are our variables. And I'm a super variable.
For context, this is from the April Fool stream when the variable here, the super variable, took over the channel.
And like I said, this is a super variable that's gained the ability to transform. Or you might call this a super variable.
So a textuality, exactly. Yeah, you guys can't tell I'm a big fan of Dragon Ball Z. You make slime blobs smaller. You guys mitosis. I forgot how long this goes on for. What's my favorite dragon? Imagine Dragons.
And this is a super variable that is master transformation. The pinnacle, super variable 3.
So that's super variable 3. That's your guys' final form. It's how we came to the conclusion that math is actually filled with estrogen. So, so anyways, so because if it gets enough moonlight, can it reach super variable 4? Yeah, I'm not sure what super variable 4 would be. But so I'm currently, so that was just with free models, and so I was like, that's not entirely how super variable 3 is going to work, but super variable 3 is now canon to the Poisson verse. Have I heard of Gohan Blanco? I prefer Shaggy Blanco. So this is the current sketch art I have, because I don't know the outfit that super variable 3 is going to be in yet. But yeah, so this I made at work because I had nothing going on at work, and so I gave them the little ears, I gave them the triangle, like the delta in the hair, I gave them big tail, and because canonically how they took over the stream, how they took over the stream. Don't worry, they're gonna have stuff on. It's just, well, it's in concept art stage before I like decide to add the outfit. I don't know what outfit do you guys want, because this is you. This is your super form, so you guys can decide on what outfit you want. Oh no, you looked it up. Oh, thank you. I'm glad you liked the art. Yeah. Math equations on the dress, please. Oh, okay, you're thinking a dress? Remember, okay. This is canonically the person who beat me up, by the way. This is who beat me up and then took over the stream. Gohan versus Cell outfit. Oh, the purple, maybe. You have the shirt for this outfit? Okay. Go ahead. If you find it, send it in the Discord then. But yeah. So look forward to that art being finished. Anyways, today, the whole fight in pics printed all over the outfits. Oh my god, that would be crazy. Sorry, yeah, so now let's segue over out of that. Maybe I'll put up a poll. You know what? I'll like get a bunch of different outfits, and then I'll let you guys do a poll on what outfits you want Super Variable 3 to be in. But today we are going to be playing a fun little math game called TeXnique, which, if you don't know it, is a LaTeX game where you end up... I unironically wish I could keep drawing right now, but I shouldn't. I'm closing my iPad so I don't get the urge to just start drawing instead of streaming. This game is basically just to practice your LaTeX skills. And so I figure what we can do is spend a bit of time in the Zen mode warming up, and then I'm gonna host a time game, and you guys are free to compete with me all you want. Because that's the thing, is we have 3 minutes to compete with each other, but even in the untimed game, we can compete with one another. So we could all just like play Zen mode. Prefer B mod, use boldface. Oh, math boldface, not text boldface. Oh, I didn't know that was a thing. Oh, you found it. Okay, so let's see. Let's find the. Let's look at it. That would be such a funny. That would be such a funny picture to have. I act rather silly at times. And it's just super variable 3 just like beating up Poisson. But yeah, okay. So let's start out by typing in, let's toggle shadow. Oh, that's fun. This music's too slow. I threw on stellar, why is that hyperdrive? I'm thinking I threw on a Stellar Blade music on just like random, but is the one I'm thinking of? Yeah, okay, there we go. Yeah, that's one. Please don't mind me lurking for some time. I will mind it. No, yeah. Lurk away. Alright. C equals... right, how do you do square root for it? You do like... Yeah! Delta sub... Oh, wait, it's capital delta. Delta sub 1... plus minus... square root... of... Oh my goodness. Oh, right, and all this is gonna be in a fraction, so that's fun. Right. Okay, it doesn't like that. Just gonna do 2 on the bottom. Alright. Delta sub 1. But, oh, so the reason I bothered to make that art is because my new outfit is gonna relate to the fight between super variable, not square root, sorry. Relate to the fight between, but doesn't like that. That's fine. Relate between the fight between super variable 3 and Poisson. You have reached the point of maths where you see a shade. You can see how the formula below should... Yeah, level 2! Whoa! We're getting it! What's that little... How do you... Wait, what Z is that? I don't actually know. What's that little fancy Z? There was a thing where it was called like Dexter. Oh, do you guys like my new background? I changed my background on I made this, by the way. I made a little fun little custom background. And then all right, what was it called? Dextify? Dextify? Yep. Keep giving them to me. Thank you. Background so fire. Aw, I appreciate it. Is it just like a schmancy little Z? Is it just like a math call Z? One stroke probably. Freaky Z. Is it just like math? Is it just a math call Z? Oh, okay. I thought it was like something special. No, it was just a Z. Just a Z. Freak Z. Pretty freak Z. What song is this? 2 pi I. Isn't it called like... What's the one for this integral again? Hey, this is why we have it. Oh, it's O integral. Point. Yes. Point. Sub gamma. I said sub gamma. You just saw this for like 1 week ago. The Cauchy differentiation formula? Call Z. I would not do good on this being timed. I know that, but so I'm gonna fail horribly when we actually do the competitive one, but I'm gonna have fun now. Sub-Zero. Sub-Zero. Did you guys see the new Mortal Kombat movie? I really liked it. Was it good? Not really, but I had fun. The thing is, you can't make macros. What did I do wrong? Hi, life. Welcome. F to the K. Math call 0. K factorial over 2 pi K. Point. Sub gamma. It's over gamma. This might be universally known that you should be studying this. Yeah, the world is trying to push you to study it. F of Z over Z minus Z naught to the K plus 1. Can't make macros, make macaroni. Of course. I have no idea. Yeah, me either. It's one of those things where it's like, it has a specific way it wants it to be done, and if it doesn't hit that way, then... So I'm just gonna skip it. Are the D and D different? No, I think that's just how you do the text. So let's just... like... K plus 1. D&D. I wish. D&D is a math nerd game. We should all be playing it. Alright, we'll just skip that one. And then it wants B mod. The P. Equiv. A. B mod. E? Oh no, this time it wants just mod. E? E, oh no, P mod. Because parentheses. I wonder if it has a different Z. Maybe the Z's are different. D&D stream, but everything's math or a math pun. How is this level 4? Well, they're randomly generated. It just randomly chooses ones. It's not actually like, it's not actually, I wonder if it's the math call. Like, linear in any sense. It's just random problems. 50 implies... Oh, do Z and math call Z look the same? Oh wait, hold on a minute. Yep, that's why. I forgot that we're in math mode, so when I type a letter, it's gonna look like a weird letter. Well, that explains why the other one was wrong. And why they wouldn't have you typing. Yeah, okay. 1 over 2 pi, I guess that explains it. Integral from 0 to 2 pi absolute value f of re to the I theta, oops, squared d theta equals the sum of k equals 0 to the holy heck inf d absolute value a sub k r the k oh, that I was like, what? Wait. Oh, that's why. What did I forget? What did I do or not do? Oh, we didn't actually sum anything. We wrote just like sum and then forgot to actually put stuff in there. I was just like, the sum of existence. Yeah, there's no need for math call. Wait, why is that slightly off? Alright, f of z is equal to the sum a to sub k, z to k implies that 1 over 2 pi from 0 to 2 pi f... Oh, I forgot a parenthesis. Ta-da! The sum of air. Yeah, it's some delicious air, okay? Mu minus... I don't know Greek names. Clear. New. Is it seriously? I didn't know that. That's stupid. I love it. The sum of text of TV over TV. That's awesome. Less than or equal to the square root of 2d sub KL. Wait, where are we? We're in our square root. Okay. Mu and nu sitting in a tree. That's how mathematicians flirt. Mu and nu sitting in a tree. Integrating. Less than or equal to square root TV 2D KL. I'm guessing it's that. Should just be like norm or something. Can I do this? No, norm is not a command. Okay. Now for my favorite game. What's the difference? I think it's in the absolute values here. When in doubt. Boop, boop. Oh, they want text bar maybe? Or do they want that? Oh, that's what they want. Oh. No? Mu minus nu sub TV less than or equal to the square root 2D sub KL times... I have no idea. Continued to be befuddled by... Like, it perfectly covers it. When in doubt, just keep on rocking. Simga. Key, enjoy your food. I'm actually gonna copy this over here real quick, just so I have it. Feature. Alright. I wish they would tell you why you got your answer, or like there was a way to tell you what was wrong specifically. So that I could figure out why it wasn't liking certain things. But like after the fact. Oh, that's plus. Oops. So this is a catchy song. We're called Bye Calcium. Thanks for stopping by. I wonder if the gray level co-occurrence matrix formula is in here. I'd hope so. I like that one. Sounds like Elden Ring music is about to start. Da da da. Oh, that's why I do the... There's no way I would get a good score on this. I can't believe the people who can type this stuff crazy fast. It is a skill. What is that symbol? Pop pop. Didn't know that. E. I was hoping and an or would let it just do that. Wedge. Wedge Q. Oops. E. So what's the opposite of wedge? V. That feels fake. That's like how I would name something. This is V. Oh, that wasn't plus. That was dash. Proofs, am I right? Row, left, right. Right, partial. That's the. I was like, what do you do? Partial, math, boldface, V, partial, T, plus math, boldface, V, C dot, nabla. I have no idea when in Stellar Blade this song plays, but kind of goes. When does this play? What song is this? Scarlet Phase 2. Oh, this is from the Nikke collab. Yeah, that's why I have never heard this before. I didn't do the Nikke or Nier collab stuff. Well, I'm crazy excited for the next game. It's such a good game. And it does upset me that people were like, it's just a gooner bait. And I'm like, okay, but it's actually a crazy good gameplay. And yes, I will admit it is somewhat anime in its portrayal of certain assets. No pun intended there. But, oh, I know this one. But, I don't know. I personally really enjoy the game. I was about to say, this is the general solution. I was about to say, I recognized immediately. I was like, that's an integrating factor. And then, yeah, I look, it's like, oh, general solution to that. I wish people would be willing to look past. It's like Nier. Nier is a great example of that where I remember watching like a streamer once, and he's like, "If you play Nier Automata, you're just jerking off. You know, you're just jorking to it." And I'm like, dude, like, no, it's actually a very, very well-made game. What am I doing? In a roll. That's what I wanted to do. But roll E to the X. Yes. As you can tell, what is the smallest number of total marks on tests such that it's possible to get a mark that rounds to 99%? Alright, that's when you guys fight that. Actually, no, it's on battle. The smallest number of total marks on tests such that it's possible to get it marked. It depends on the total, no? But would that be infinite? Like, you can, in theory, just... the ratio stays relative to stuff? I don't know. No, what is that? That's not phi. That's that var phi capital? No, because var phi is what like my Oshi mark is. That's psi. That's what it is. I knew that. Oh, that's supposed to be a bold H, I think. No. Oh wait, is that like a Planck's constant H? Is that a smudge on my screen? No, that's like a Planck's constant H. I guess just H bar. Alright. Doesn't look like H bar, but that's just me. Scale lowercase w. God, I had nothing going on at work today, which wasn't entirely bad. I'm sorry, what is this? This is the moist adiabatic lapse rate. If you say so. I won't argue. I won't understand, but I won't argue. For my own mental state. Oh my god, so many nested fractions. That an R? Yeah. Oh wait, these have to be regular text versions? Ugh. No wonder this is worth 21 points. Can you imagine doing this on a timed exam? There we go. Like, imagine... you're having to do this while a clock is just aggressively counting down behind you. I can barely even see it. This is horrible. Z just sent me something so stupid. Have you ever tried? Tell me a joke. Have you ever tried to eat a clock? No. Okay. I love it. I love it. That's so stupid. All right, you have a test. There's a number of marks you can get out of something. What is the minimum total amount of marks such that it's possible to get a percentage that rounds to 99? For example, if there's one mark that you can get either 0% or 100%, so you can get 99, but if you don't have marks, then you get 99 with 99. By rounding, I mean you can get round up or down. I need you to solve this. Why do you need me to solve this? I mean, are you trying to get exactly 99% on a thing? I don't know. So if everything is like every mark is 1 point kind of thing, and then so every if I just refer to it, change how I refer to it. Questions. You have 100 questions. Then the lowest you, and every question's worth 1 point. Yes or no, right or wrong. The answer's a funny number. Oh, if this is just for a meme, then no, I refuse to solve this. You were just trying to play me. I see it now. I see it now. I don't know what the answer is, but if you were just trying to play me, then I'm greatly offended. I have my dignity, kind of. Alright, this is from the other ending. I haven't actually gotten this ending. I would play this game on stream, it doesn't run well on my PC. And I know that. And I am sad about it. Oh wait, no. Wait, hold on, I'm confusing what I'm supposed to be doing. That's supposed to be V. Close that. That's 2. What? Stayed open. Wait, what? What dignity? You like math problems like the rest of us? I do like math problems, but I'm gonna solve a math problem just so that you can be like, haha, 69, haha, 420. No. I won't pretend that my time is valuable. Clearly not. I'm playing this, but I have no real follow-up. Alright, this was all supposed to be in a left-right. No, this was supposed to be left, right. And that is incorrect. Why doesn't it like that? Oh, that T is supposed to go here? What's 1 plus 1? Oh, it was 6, 7. Ha 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 ha. Look at that. Funny man. Funny man. Take that to Muse chat. He'll have a wonderful time. What's 1 plus 1? I'm wild guess 3, but we're gonna say 2. You go send your Aleph Mu 6, 7, drop your Aleph Mu 6, 7s in chat. Alright, so gamma W is equal to D of T over DZ. I think it's pi. It's delicious. 1 plus H sub V times R over R sub SD times T. That's over C sub PD plus H sub V squared R over R SWT squared. I have a curious if I maybe do that one. The answer is probably negative I. I think it's negative. I think it's negative I squared. Negative I squared plus 1. Welcome back, Ava. I'm gonna guess negative I squared plus 1. All right, what the heck is this supposed to... Where is my minute problem? Maybe it's pi times e. Ha ha. E to the pi. What am I looking at? Moist adiabatic lapse rate. As I try to figure out what the problem could possibly be. So it's not a visual problem, so it comes down to a syntax problem. Now we're going. Now we're grooving. What in here do we think they did not like? I've been allowed to use text. I've been allowed to use fraction, left and right, gamma subtext, text of D over text of Z, G times fraction. I think 1 plus 1 is approximately epsilon, where epsilon to the 2 is 0, but epsilon does not equal 0. Yeah, try to do it on yours. I'm like... This is what it feels like when you... like forget one symbol and the professor's like, the entire problem is wrong. Not like one symbol, like you like make a mistake where it's like you don't do like a change of variable or something on an integral, and then you're like, oh, but then you fix in the next line, but it's like the one line you accidentally had dx instead of dt, and it's like, nope, the entire problem was wrong. You're just like, bro. I wish we could like save these to come back to them later. And it told me to use the lefts and rights. Let me zoom in. Oh, that's actually way better. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. It destroys the formatting a bit, but it's definitely easier to read. This sounds like knockoff JoJo's. I have no idea. That's fine. This is the power mean. Sub 2. X sub n. We have to do cases. Really funny. Doing cases in a limited spot like that is so funny to me. Like, ugh, God. 1 over n, just because it's not gonna look great. No, it needs to be a left. Then over here, right. It's not gonna look good with this tiny little tiny little flip x to the r sub I. R not equals 0. This is Wasteland, I think. Yeah, if it wasn't working on your end either, I'm not sure why it's not working at all. Alright, square root of n. Oh, wait, oops, sorry. So the nth root. Terrible time getting this thing to accept D's, although at some point, maybe instead of mathrm, use text. Well, so I was using text, but maybe I wanted mathrm. Like, I really wish, because like I like doing a macro on whenever I'm like actually working in LaTeX Stucky. I like just doing the macro with just like /d, and then that's my text d for my derivatives. Makes life so much easier. But the fact that I would know it would be cool if you could pre-make macros. I realize I forgot the 1 over r. If you could pre-make macros for this game to speed up your process, that would be so cool. They need to add that. It is mathrm. Oh my god. It's not text, it's mathrm. That's good to know. A pain, but that's good to know for future reference, I guess. Alright, what was I doing? Right, the nth root of the product sub I equals 1. I love cool means like this. Like cool new ways to define. Why is this offset? Oh, it's because it shouldn't actually be ... It should be h dot. Or is it just dots? Okay, why doesn't it like it now? See, doesn't? Yeah, it's just dots, but x1, x2, dots, xn, cases, 1 over n, sum, I equals 1 to n, x of I to r to the power of 1 over r, for r does not equal 0, versus the nth root, big instead of left. I think they prefer, I think at the start they said they prefer doing that, but maybe? Oh, those are too big, but why did it prefer big? That's so stupid. Instead, why would you not just do Ampere Maxwell law. Ooh, physics. 2020 vision. He said it. Alright, just times. Hey, it's Mew. Guys, it's Mew. He's back. It's funny, because they even said at the start, they were like, oh yeah, most equations prefer left-right. But no, apparently they don't. I guess they don't. Epsilon... It's not... Oh no, it wants var eps, I think. Yeah. It's weird, because I always write var epsilon when I'm actually writing. I never write what's supposedly normal epsilon. Does anyone? Because I feel like normal epsilon is basically in. Partial t. I don't know, man. Normal epsilon's trash. Exactly. Who in their right mind would use normal epsilon? Not I, says Sam I am. X log x plus 2, or 2 gamma People who read, speak, and write Greek. Nobody does that. That's not true. Actually, fun enough, my Pico. My dad actually can read Greek. It's a fun fact for you. Is determinate command? Heck yeah. Math boldface. But how many people are actually out here? Math bath. The math bath. How many people no, it's once transpose. What's the command for just transpose? Oh, just top, I guess. No, that's different. Ah, crap. Listen though, how many people... Intercall? I guess so. Is there another Seb's website where multiplayer exists? It's actually this one. You'll here, watch if I end the game. This got tense. This is what it'll play during multiplayer. Man, I wish PlayStation 2s were real. Oops. Intercall. LaTeX linguist versus the cat. Oh, the cat's gonna win. I suck. I know this. There's a reason I got my butt kicked by Super Variable 3. Alright, what doesn't it like? Do I actually have to do the power of intercall, or no, I have to do the power of intercall. Determinant A plus UV U transposed equals 1. By the way, what is this? Matrix determinant lemma. That makes sense. Why is the -1 bolded? Oh, you're right. Oh, I see, yeah. I put the -1 in there. Good catch. Nice, thank you. In cases and cases. I want to get better at it because I don't type this fast enough. Zero pmod 2. I mean, that can be said for anything though. There's so much that I need to like freshen up on before I start my classes in fall, and this is one of them. Just be able to write LaTeX as fast as possible. I know this one. Laplace transform. Negative ST. Math RM. Okay, it likes math RM then. Good to know. How do I do the slight Langle? That's what it is. Oh, right. It's Langle Wrangle. Langle. angle. And now you too can feel like an idiot while typing this. Yeah, Koshi Swartz inequality, that's right. Langle, wrangle. Wait, can't I just do that? I forgot I can do that. C dot, Langle. I forgot that I can just do math BF V and then just leave it. Because it automatically assigns it to the next character you run into. Wow! Hey, look who it is! Look who it is, everyone, everyone, everyone! Da 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 da. Oh. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. It's Aleph now, null, because he got eaten. He has become Aleph null. Oh, how do I do that fancy C? Math frack. There's so many different bizarre equals the real numbers. That's not in. Oops. Subset int. Math frack, more like math freak. I need a shirt that says that. Wham. Oh, not exists. That's what it is. Oh, duh. Because that's. Why did I think in? It's been a day. Our good friend Aleph Null, because that's what he is now, is less than A, less than mathfrac C. Guys, I'm slightly getting better. I'm getting slightly better. God, how do I do the accommodations one? Is it N? Is it just N choose K? Oh no, I think it's binom. That's what it is. Yeah. The thing is, if you do N choose K, watch what happens. And now the type stuff here, it ends up in the choose section. So you have to do binomial. Fun. What one's this one? Black-Scholes equation. Huh. This is catchy. I wonder what that was noted for. Huh, sorry. Where am I? Okay, here we go. I also did that wrong. V. It's a B. Add BBF to the negative one. There you go, my RDM. This is awesome. Fighting the urge to just talk about Stellar Blade for hours, unironically. Partial S minus RV equals 0. What did I forget? Oh, I completely conflated a ton. I was just like half. There we go. RS fraction partial V partial S minus RV equals 0. There we go. What's this song called? The song, the one that just played, was called Blur. It's from Stellar Blade, feature U32. You can make a website similar to this, except the equation you type are like the chaos when you let us play with LaTeX in chat. It just becomes a LaTeX playground. There you go. Oh wait, no, I think this one. No, what am I thinking of? This one? Oh no, where's the one I want? It's
I still remember 선명한 기억 언젠가 내게 주어졌던 많은 빛을
there's Undead NFI, Natiba, Adam. Oh no, here it is. Alright, what are we doing here? Gamma equals the limit as n. Oh, whoops, now let's inf b left, right. Equals 1 to the n. Fraction for k minus the natural log of n equals an integral from 0 to infinity floor of x. No, it doesn't let what do we do for that then? Is it not floor? L floor. Oh, that's stupid. I mean, it makes complete sense, but stupid. Like, why would you not just do... Well, I guess sometimes you just might want one or the other. I still protest this because it mildly inconvenienced me. Instead of left, right, is probably big, aren't they? Are we gonna do multiplayer this stream or next time? We'll do it this stream. Let me... No. No, why wouldn't left, right work here? Left, right is definitely what I want. Oh, that's supposed to be a 1, that's why. Whoops. Or wait, that's... Wait, no, sorry, that's... Wait, 1. There we go, okay. Alright, let me do like 1 or 2 more of these, and then let's do multiplayer. Oh, this time it wasn't looking for that. It was looking for that. That's stupid. I object to this. I object to this greatly. It's supposed to be plus z squared equals r. Equation of a torus. Cool. All right. I am gonna run. So we're gonna hit endgame. Finish 24 problems. LARP text Donald Trumpet. Let's just draw civil service pigeon. That's funny. Enter my name. Poisson. That drops me in 7th place. Okay. You could go for leaderboard. You totally could. Who won forever? Nothing. Who's done the best this month? Why? Did really bad is in 3rd place. Alright. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick, and then we can do left and right. And then we can do a competitive one. So I'll be right back. You made a break. What broke? All right. Everyone ready for a timed game? I fear we can all run it at the same time. Let me stretch. Gotta put on hype music for it. By hype music, I just mean hypertube slide. Big stretch. Oh. Wow, that actually feels so much better. I didn't realize like how cramped my muscles were. All right. I really want like a grape soda right now. Let me find my music. Unclench your jaw. Honestly, you're actually kind of right. Like, all right. Oh God, my whole body's so stiff. All right. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's supposed to be square root 2. I'm already screwing up. No, it's just cup. Takes a hold of me. I'm panicking. Holy! Oh my God! What is this? What is this? This is ridiculous. Life must be on the break through the darkness. So we go. This is crazy. Oh no! What did I mess up on? Oh, nothing yet. Okay. Okay. We're doing this one. Times 6K. Times 545140134K plus 1359149. Close that parentheses. On the bottom we have 3K factorial. Factorial to the third. 640320. Close that parentheses. 3K plus 3 divided by 2. Oh no, what's wrong? Oh, that one on top is supposed to be a negative. Omega sub f equals the sum of p in p sub f. What? P. 2 to the negative. Oh, binom, awesome. Let go, let go, let go. Drink up, cup. That takes a hold of me. This is an easy one. Oh no, I forgot the slash. Math BB. No! Finished 6 problems with a score of 32. I did so bad. Oh, that was not good. That was not good. 3 problems with this 26 score. Yay, I won. The thing I think that gave me points was that one problem that I just decided to go do with the one that had like a ton of numbers on it. I don't even know what that problem was. I don't know. And he never skipped equation though. Yeah, there's a free squip equation button that you weren't utilizing. I didn't utilize it either. The Romangian, that's what it was? Yeah. I like went all in. I was like, screw it, we're typing it. The actual good way to unclench your jaw and speak without any pressured effort is put a pen across your mouth, deep, and press on it. Now speak some tongue twisters and tower stuff. Loosens your jaw and your tongue. Whoa, that's cool. Huge, huge fish. Your Romangian would be proud. Oh, that is intense. Give me a twink VTuber with no audience. Yeah. What? You demand a rematch? All right. Then I need to prep up another song. The music helps me. Cat, no help. You're probably gonna win the next round. I don't know how I screwed up so much, especially on that one, the long one. Is it fine to call him a twink? You have more than no people here. Yeah, you can call me a twink, I don't care. I don't advertise myself as twink or femboy because of the potential connotations, but if someone calls me it, I don't care. All right. You had a freaking titration thing you had to somehow figure out. Don't even know. It looked like 3 up arrow, up arrow, up arrow, 3. Oh yeah, I think I've seen that one before. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Oh, how am I already screwing up? A million choices. Judgment. My entire reputation's on the line, of course I'm locked in. Ah. No, what did I forget? Oh, I did the wrong... That's also wrong? What did I do wrong? Ah! Oh, I forgot a parenthesis again. Oh, that's bad. What? Oh, I didn't type the D here. Oh, I have no idea what that is. Choices. Oh my god. K in math BBN. Less than or equal to N. That's GCD. K N equals 1. Equals N fraud. Oh my god. This is horrible. Left. No! If I had gotten that one, I would have gotten so many points. Alright. 3 problems with a score of 23. I did so bad that time because I kept forgetting stuff. 32 for 9 problems. Dang, Ava. Good job. Ooh, no, yeah. I wonder how many... So every massive equation, you immediately skipped it? That's probably a good play. Yeah, there were a few... There was like one I started typing, and then I was like, wait a minute, I don't know what that one symbol is. Screw it. But I had already started typing it, so I ended up switching. Show skipped. Oh, here we go. The Einstein field equations. Yeah, what's this? Oh, wait, that was just lambda. I'm so stupid, but it was like a capital lambda. I'm so dumb. Okay, I want to do one more timed one, because those are fun. Adding the time to them makes it feel very intense. What the lamb doing? You found it? Okay. Oh, the general principle of an exclusion and exclusion. Oh, that would have not been fun to do. God, that's awful. Alright, let's... Oh, where's Stalker? I want to listen to Stalker while I do my last... But let's do one more. Let's do one more. One competitive one. All right. 3, 2, 1. Go. Determine. Oh, heck, what was that? What was this? Inner call, that's what it was. Inner call equals 1 plus the inner call. First if you determinant okay. Why didn't I in shit? Wait, what? In wait, what? Integral 0 gamma z equals integral 0 to the... Oh, heck, okay. Oops. That screwed me. I'm definitely losing this one then. Alright, there's no parentheses there. Oh, I don't even know what that symbol is. Iota? Okay. Oh wait, no, I forgot the... I don't know how to do that one. That was another bad run. What? Is it just circle? Oh, it's just circ. Oh, direct delta. Ah? Wait, why isn't this ending? Oh, I had 1 second left. I was like, huh? 4 problems, 33. There were so many times that there's so many times I had to hop back over to here. Eight problems with 40. Dang, Ava, you're good. The scroll bar? Yeah, I have no idea. There's so much I don't know. The self-styled LaTeX linguist doesn't know LaTeX. Don't tell anyone, though. LARP tech is literally me. Yeah, you would not be able to do that fast. It's probably worth like 40 points. Yeah, I see that. Your spectral decomposition. Yeah. Yeah, doing like an SVD. No, that singular value decomposition would be SVD, but the similar sort of thing where it's just like... It's 3 minutes to do by itself. Absolutely, that would be crazy. It's a rough one. It would be a rough one for sure. Yeah, what did I skip? I just skipped this one. This one wouldn't have been so bad. I just saw it and I was like, I don't want to do all that. Oh, that would actually been real easy. That would have been free points. I should have gone for it. Let's see. Wait, I can do that. I didn't know I could do that with fractions. Like write frac 52 in the same way that you did it. Hey, learn something else. You learn something new every stream. Oh, that was fun. I like that game though. It's a good excuse to practice, and it's also a great way to just kind of like stare off into space while you're working. But then when you do the few that are like, when you do the 3-minute competition, suddenly you're just like locked in like crazy. It's exciting. I had fun too. All right. We're nearing the 2-hour mark. I think I want to go for a walk or something. I really want to go get like a grape soda. I have a hankering for like a grape soda, so I might walk down to the store to grab one. So what we are gonna do... What we are going to do is raid someone. Who are we gonna raid? Okay, let me actually just open it on Twitch with that. Stream manager. Let's see. Oriana's live? Oh, okay, maybe. Oh yeah, Oriana is live. Let's raid Oriana. Okay. What do we want our raid tag to be? Making mechanical self-reading die. Fish. You know what? Yeah, just math fish. All right, our raid message is gonna be math fish These here. I don't know. Just that. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and raid Ori then. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.